welcome back to another video, and today
we're doing 10 packets of mee-pok noodles
and suggested by one of our Instagram followers. So we asked for instant noodles. You know, most of you are funny. We're doing mukbang, right? So take a break from spiciness. And some of the response I got was, oh, ghost pepper please, some yum please. Come on guys, taking mukbang cause you want a break from spiciness, alright? So you guys said, I asked you guys whether you guys wanted Maggi curry or Indomie, and you guys chose Indomie, which is dried noodles. So I followed what one of our friends suggested, mee-pok dried. And today, we're gonna be finishing 10 packets of this, and let's start cooking.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, we're back from cooking. And as you can see, today we got honey green tea. And Ryan got his too. Today we're doing an instant noodle mukbang as we introduced just now, and this is our instant noodle here, 10 packets right on this tray.
I'm sorry that the egg turned out that bad.
I destroyed 2 eggs while cooking. Ryan destroyed 1 egg while cracking, landed an eggshell inside, and this was the only perfect egg made by me. And yeah, let's start eating. Mee-pok is one of my favorite instant noodles too. It's good. It's delicious. Nice, right? Is it your first time trying this?
Not really.
You tried mee-pok before?
Yeah.
How's the egg?
It doesn't look nice, but it tastes nice.
Alright, next week we'll be doing a sushi mukbang, as most of you guys requested for it compared to McNugget mukbang. Of course, we'll be doing McNugget mukbang. It's just that we'll be doing it in order of popularity, and we'll come out with a poll sometime this week again to see what you guys prefer against the McNugget. Again, if you guys have any content idea for us, any challenges for us to do, always drop us a DM on Instagram or comment down on our video below. Also, remember to hit the like and subscribe button and share these videos with your friends. Thank you.
We hope to get more viewers since our past few videos got lesser viewers. But I'm not forcing you guys or anything, but
we really hope that we could get more viewers on our video. For our past few videos, we feel that our viewership is dropping, and yeah, if you guys know where we can improve on, also leave it down in the comments below, or you can always drop us a DM on Instagram as always. You enjoying this?
of course.
We both haven't ate for the whole day, so we're really hungry. And this mukbang helps with that hunger. Taking a break from spicy food is a good idea, considering our past 4 videos to be spicy food challenges. One day, we're gonna attempt eating the actual peppers instead of these instant noodles. We'll see how it goes. Mm.
This is the egg that Matthias spoiled.
Hey, you spoiled an egg too. Don't blame me.
You spoiled two, I spoiled one. There's a difference.
And I cooked one perfect one. That's the difference. Mmm. I got something. Wait. Mmm. No, overall, this mukbang is pretty manageable. Of course, in the future, we will be attempting spicy mukbangs like the samyang and ghost pepper that you guys always ask for. We might not do ghost pepper because we can't find the instant noodles at the moment, but samyang definitely. For those of you who haven't tried this instant noodles before, highly recommend you to try it. It's really good. Another one that you could try is the ramen charmi. It's by the same company, and it's also equally good. Are you full yet?
About there.
About there. Come on, man. Still have at least quarter of the tray. I am more than happy that you guys decided to choose Indomie, because if we took Maggi curry and there's soup in it, I don't even know whether we can complete eating that. Soup makes the noodle more filling, but if you eat 10 packet, I recommend dry.
If you guys want us to post more videos like this, comment down your thoughts on the comments below. If you think we should stop eating mukbang, then just
Let us know in the comments below too. And if you guys want us to do more food challenges like sour food and all these, we might put out a poll and we see which you guys prefer.
If you think we should stop eating food, then comment down on what we should do. Probably gaming or anything else.
This has been a really good experience actually. Oh, and I really want to try the new ghost pepper Coca-Cola that just came out in Malaysia. It sounds interesting and it's something new, so maybe one day we'll order it online and try it. There's a whole bunch of seasoning here. You wanna try bite into it?
Already.
You wanna try bite into the seasoning?
I'm good.
Yeah, we're almost done. Come on, push.
This is the first time completing our first mukbang.
It's a good start for mukbangs. I was actually kind of afraid that we cannot finish our food. I think we're pretty much done. Oh, and we finished it in about 11 minutes. It's a good start. So thank you guys for coming to the end of today's video. And as usual, if you guys like this video, like and subscribe and hit the bell button beside the subscribe to get notifications of our weekly uploads. And thank you for supporting Honey Green. See y'all. Bye bye.
Take care.